Are you a little bit confused about what zero contracts actually are and what they do to help your business or not help your business? Let's talk about that. Please remember, if you like this video, to hit the like button down below so that I know to make more videos like this. Welcome back to my channel. If you're already subscribed, very warm welcome. Over 1,000 subscribers now. So exciting. I did celebrate as a big thank you. I'm doing a massive employee video series to help you employ quality staff members. Just to let you know, this video is sponsored by Cleaner Me, which is my monthly subscription box membership for cleaning business owners that wants to stop chasing their tail and actually start seeing some results. So this is the first video of 30 in a series. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and also press that bell so you can get a notification, because I will post a video every week. What you could do to find quality staff members. Everything from zero contract hours, what today's video is all about, to what should I pay my staff, to help, do I have to pay for DBS check? Everything will get covered in the next few weeks. But for those of you that don't know me, I am Ilse Whiteman, the cleaning coach, and I have had a successful cleaning business for 12 years. And I know firsthand what it takes to start a cleaning business with no money, to go through the struggle without any formal qualifications or know-how. And I did all this without all of this help of YouTube and Facebook groups that's now available to everybody. Please remember to watch the video all the way to the end. There's always in all my videos a really juicy tip that you can implement in your business straight away that will help you see results pretty quickly. Like a light bulb moment, like an aha moment. That will always come near the end of my videos. Firstly, let's discuss what is a 0-hour contract. And a lot of people don't necessarily know what it fully means. Now, 0-hour contract, yes, it means that you don't have to offer any hours. However, this also means that the person you're employing on a 0-hour contract also can turn away work. You can say to them, I've got 10 hours this week, and they can go, yeah, no thank you. I don't want to work 10 hours this week. I only want to work 2 hours on a Tuesday, and it has to be 6 a.m. Remember, next week we're discussing, should I offer 0-hour contracts for my new staff members or your new staff members coming into your business? So remember to press that subscribe button so you can get notifications when next week's YouTube video comes out. So the first thing that you need to remember is that it's no guaranteed hours, obviously. It's good for your business in a sense because you don't have to offer any hours. However, you still have to pay holiday pay, and it still have to be worked out according to the hours they do. But you still have to pay holiday pay, and you still have to give a week's notice, and they have to give a week's notice for up to 2 years, and then over 2 years it has to be 2 weeks minimum notice. However, this still means they have to give notice, and you still have to give them notice. You can't just get rid of them because they're on a 0-hour contract. Please remember that they still get paid sick pay, worked out according to the hours they have worked, and they still, once they leave your company, will still have to have a P45 from you, because that's what they will get in any case. So please don't think that 0 contract hours means none of that applies and it's a quick way out of a formal contract. So next week, remember, we will discuss, should I be offering a 0 contract hour and why not, or why should I offer them to my new staff members, so you can make an informed decision what you will do in your business. Guys, if you've got any questions about 0-hour contracts or what contracts to offer, although I will cover most of that next week, please remember to comment down below with your questions. I get back to every single comment. Just a little reminder, guys, this video is sponsored by Cleaner Me, which is a monthly membership that I host. We've got weekly meetings, we've got done-for-you marketing, newsletters. So let me know, do you offer 0-hour contracts? How many staff members do you have? And do you like offering 0-hour contract? Comment down below, let's have a discussion on it. Remember to check out down below, I have my favorite cleaning products. There's a link down below with affiliate links, I have to warn you, but I will not recommend anything if it's not absolutely amazing. And also these items is what I use in my cleaning business, and also the book that I use to train my staff with. I'll add a link down below if you want to have a look at how I trained my staff when I first started my cleaning business. Everything they need to know to be a good cleaner, because of course, you see, everybody thinks they're a good cleaner, but there's a very big difference between cleaning your own house and actually providing it as a professional service. I'll add the link down below. And seeing as this video is sponsored by Cleaner Me, I thought I'll quickly just tell you about my monthly subscription box membership, which is purely for cleaning business owners. So Cleaner Me, it's all about helping you get unstuck, helping you become the person that you need to be to become successful. You see, even Tony Robbins teaches people, it's not what you have when you become successful, but very often we chase the money It's more about who you become as a person when you're successful. And I know as a cleaning business owner myself, I was lonely, lost, overwhelmed, and I was chasing my tail a lot. I made so many mistakes with employees, with training them, because I was really good at cleaning, still am. However, I really found it hard to transition to let my baby go, to actually have the employees do the cleaning for me. I found that very hard, and to train them to be as good as me so my customers didn't complain about it. And I always tried to pay as little as possible because I couldn't afford it. And the transition from actually cleaning yourself, having a salary, to then get cleaners to do it for you was hard. But just to reassure you that, I mean, what you've done so far, starting a cleaning business, is absolutely amazing and well done. And you need to take credit for that. And I want you to be really grateful for the fact that you have this opportunity to build your own cleaning business, which is amazing, by the way. You have the opportunity to choose the employees, what, where, and how. Like, this is so exciting. And I am actually really glad for the guys in the Cleaner Me tribe, because they've allowed me to be part of them. And full Cleaner Me experience is weekly coaching. We go through the process of setting goals, getting people to get stuff done, because I don't want you just to learn, because all you're doing is gaining knowledge. You're not going to be successful by gaining knowledge. You're just going to be smarter. But it's about being productive, knowing what to do, when to do it, knowing that time management is never an issue, knowing that your work-life balance is sorted, knowing that in here you're happy. You're happy with what you're doing. Fall in love with your business again. Don't be a slave to your business. I will teach you design and run your own life so your cleaning business doesn't do that for you. So if you're looking for motivation and inspiration and want to join a team of very friendly and loving cleaning business owners, come and join the Cleaner Me tribe. There is a special offer linked to my YouTube channel. So everybody that sees this on YouTube, there's a special discount code for you down below, which I've already included in the link. So please don't share this link, because this link is for my YouTube tribe only. And it's a special link for you to come and join me. And if you're not based in the UK, please remember there is an option for the non-UK that wants to join us. Like Siska did this week. She is from Australia, joined us this week, and she just doesn't have the subscription box, which Vicky Warrington does. And they're absolutely amazing. And it's for you to have some you time, because I know as a cleaning business owner I was so busy and overwhelmed. I never made time for me. It's all head down, slog, work. You never take a breath. I never spent any time on me, and I neglected myself. And that is what Cleaner Me is all about. It's about who you're becoming in the process and helping you become the person you need to be successful, rather than chasing the money. If you do the work here, everything else automatically happens. You just don't know where to start yet. And Cleaner Me is definitely the right membership. If you want to spend more time with me, every week we meet. Every Thursday night at 7 we meet, and we have our weekly get together where we set goals, we talk about a week, and more importantly, you can vent. So if you want to vent and you want to tell us about your day and you want to share your stories with us and you want to set some goals, come and join us at Cleaner Me. The link will definitely be down below. So just a quick recap of the video. There's no guaranteed hours, but it means also they can choose not to work the hours you give them. So you've got no guarantee that they're going to do time either. You still have to pay holiday pay, sick pay, and provide them with a P45. Remember, next week's video is whether you should or should not actually give a 0-hour contract to your new staff member starting. Right, I'd just like to thank you if you've subscribed, and if you haven't already, remember to press that button and the bell for next week's video. And I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I love you. Congratulations on starting your cleaning business. You should be really proud of yourself. I'm rooting for you all the way, and I really wish you good luck. I love you. I'll see you next week. Bye. Also remember to download the free guide. The link is down below if you're just starting employing people.